How are you, my friends? This is another pre-calculus challenging question. Graph the function f of x, absolute value of 9 minus 3 to the power absolute value of x. A part. B part, find the range of the given function after graphing. C part, where the graph is increasing. For other pre-calculus challenging questions, you can see the playlist pre-calculus challenging questions, please. Now, let's call the function inside the absolute value capital M of x, which is 9 minus 3 to the power x. Only we graph it first. Step after that, we will see the graph of the function f. Now, to graph capital M, since we have absolute value on the x, we can take two cases. If x is positive, then we know the absolute value of x will be x from the algebra course. And then r of x, a function, becomes 9 minus 3 to the power x. This is the red graph. We start here graphing by 3 to the power x, increasing exponential. Minus will be reflection on the x-axis, shifting 9 units up. So it will be the red graph. Why this one is solid and this part here is dashed? Because x greater than 0, which is to the right of y-axis. So we can take only this piece from the red graph. If x less than 0, negative, absolute value of the x will be minus x, also from algebra. So we can call the function b of x 9 minus 3 to the power minus x. So this is the blue graph. To graph this, we can take 3 to the power x increasing, then minus x reflection on the y-axis, and there is a minus on the line here, reflection on the x-axis, and then shifting up 9 units. We get the blue graph. So the blue graph now, we take the solid part, which is x negative here, to the left of y-axis. And this one we don't take. Now, be careful here. If we put x equals 0 in the function m, 9 minus 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8. So m of 0 is equal to 8. Now, this solid red and this solid blue together will make the function capital M. So this is capital M here. And then since we have absolute value on the whole function, so that means every negative part under the x, like all this part here, we have to make it above the x, because all the function will be either 0 or positive. So now this one is the final graph of the function f of x. You see this one here. It's coming from two pieces, then we put absolute value on the whole function. So this is the graph part A. Part B, the range will be closed from 0 to infinity, where the function is increasing here from -2 to 0. So this is an increasing part. Union, another increasing from 2 to infinity. On the next slide, I will show you how to get the x-intercept, which is 2 and -2. So we can see here, we take the function, the given one, to find the x-intercept, let y is equal to 0. So we have the absolute value of this is equal to 0. Which means all this will be also 0. Take this on the other side, make 3 to the power absolute value of x is equal to 3 squared. So absolute value of x will be 2. So this is case number 1 in the absolute value equation. So x will be 2 or x will be -2. So you can see that the x-intercepts are 2 and -2. For more exponential functions, you can see the pre-calculus all the exams questions, or you can see the pre-calculus course lecture number 2. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you guys for listening.